Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Well, it's good afternoon for us here in France and it's hot like crazy outside. We're making a fast supermarket run.
Hi guys.
Hope you guys doing fine though. Yeah, look at you. Hello. Hello. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. And yeah, it hasn't been a beautiful day. Well, it has been a beautiful day, but it hasn't been a happy day for me because of what is all over the news and what is happening in the United States. Man, my heart has been broken with all these videos and clips that I've been watching. This morning when I watched one of the gentleman's fiance slash girlfriend was talking, I just burst out in tears. The tears just kept flowing from my eyes. I couldn't stop crying. It's just heartbroken and it's sad. And we as a people, we need to have respect for each other. We need to love each other. We need to stop the hate. We need to stop all of this madness that is going on in the world. Papa soon come back. We need to stop all these things that is happening. I'm not normally the one to Papa. Look at you, how cute you are. Look at you. Look at you. I'm not normally the one to comment on these things, but it is sad truth and it's happening around us. It's happening all over the world, not just in France, not just in the United States, not just in Turkey, not in all these other countries, not just in Germany. It's happening. Ooh. It's happening all around us. We need to get ourselves together. We need to just stop all the hate and be happy and love each other. That's all I'll say on what is going on. So that's that, and it's a beautiful day. Let's focus on all the other happy things around us, and you know, we just need to pray for each other and pray for the families involved in everything, the police officers, the other two gentlemen, everybody. Just pray for each and every one of us. Guys, let me give you a funny story. It is funny. We're at the supermarket, right? And there's a rule in France that if you go in the supermarket and there are products without prices, you can take the product, pay for it at the cashier, then when you leave the cashier you can go to the customer service and tell them that there was no price on the product, and they give you back your money that you pay for the product. How crazy is that? Right, honey? Isn't that how it goes? Mm-hmm. Oh my god. So babe knows someone who did it at his job, so he wanted to know if it worked for real. So we pick up a big package just now, but there was no price on it and I really wanted the package. So he said, okay honey, I'm gonna go and see if it worked for real. And he went, I didn't stay, I came to the car and he came back with his money. How crazy is that?
Well, that's 10 euros.
So we got 10 euro back. That's crazy.
But whenever they can, they're gonna trick you. Sometimes you the price that is marked is not even the price that you pay at the end. So sometimes you're tired and you just want to. So this time is for them.
All right, guys.
But if I was mean, like if I was really mean, I won't have take one packet. I will have take all of the packet. Cause you see what I mean? I just took one packet.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
If I was really.
You would go back and take all the other packets.
Right. Before it was 4 or 5 packets, I will have take all of the
That's
packets.
funny. That is so funny. Oh my god. How crazy is that? Guys, would you just search for those packages that don't have any price each time you come to the supermarket? That's not cool. That's not cool at all. That's not cool. I didn't even really wanted him to do it just now, but he wanted just to try to see if it worked for real, and it worked. He got his 10 euro back. How crazy is that? Well, yeah, we're now on our way home to put little Tyler to bed. Right, baby? Right, it's almost your bedtime. What time? It's 7:42. Trust me, check me back in 15 minutes and Tyler will be out cold completely. Literally, you see him now? He's gonna get his bath, get his bottle, and he's done. So we can have some us time that we always like. So we're gonna pop champagne, we're gonna rock to music like we always do, or we're gonna watch a movie or something. Don't know what we're gonna do later, but it's always good to have us time when Tyler is off to bed. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.